Good morning, student.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you, my dear every students?
We are fine. And you?
Yes, I am also fine. Are you ready for the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. In today's class, I want to give you a chance to play a game. Do you want to play?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here you see there are 4 boxes, and in last 2 boxes there are 2 letters S and T, and you have to complete and you have to make a new word, and you have to give the first 2 box the first 2 letters, and with these 2 letters you have to make a new word, and after making the word you have to make a new sentence. Okay? Okay, now try your best, and who want to give answer, raise your hand. Okay, at first Motia Chaudhary, stand up. Past. P-A-S-T, very good, and make a new sentence with the letter past.
First day, I prepared myself for the class.
Very good. Okay, give a big hand for her. Thank you. Sit down. Next, who want to tell any new word? Yes, from the back, Subarna.
Cost. C-O-S-T.
Very good. C-O-S-T, cost. And try to make a new sentence.
It is a very cost game.
It is very cost game. Okay, thank you. Sit down. And next. Okay, you.
Test. T-E-S-T.
T-E-S-T, test. Very good. And make new sentence.
It is an acid test for Bangladesh to win this series.
Thank you. Clap for her. Okay, sit down. And next, who want to tell? Okay, from the last you.
Best. B-E-S-T.
Best. Very good. And make new sentence with the letter best.
Nisi and Mimi were best friends.
Okay, they are best friend. Very good. Sit down. And next, anyone? Okay, you from the middle.
Most. M-O-S-T.
Very good, most. And make a new
He is
sentence.
the most intelligent student.
He's the most intelligent student. Okay, thanks. Clap for her again. Sit down. And then anyone? Okay, from the corner you.
Lest. L-E-S-T.
N-E-S-T. Very good.
Walk fast, lest you should miss the class.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. And anyone, any word and sentence? Okay, Borsha. Last. Okay.
At last we have won the game.
At last you have won the game. Very good. Sit down. Okay, next Simu again.
I'm lost. L-O-S-T.
Lost. Okay.
Please help. We are lost.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. And next, Nishi.
Rest. R-E-S-T.
Rest. Very good.
You will take rest.
You will take rest. You should take rest. We should take rest. Okay? Everyone should take rest. Rest is must for us. Okay, thank you. Very good. Sit down. And then again Shimo. Okay?
East.
East. Okay, very good.
He lives in a village in the east part of Bangladesh.
Okay, in the east part of Bangladesh. Very good. Excellent. Thanks. Sit down. And then anyone? Yes, Motia Chaudhary again.
West.
West.
Our country has situated
In the
area.
West area. Okay, very good. Sit down. You have done, and then you?
List. L-I-S-T.
List. L-I-S-T. Very good.
Please give me your shopping list.
Okay. Do you want to take my shopping list?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. Yes, next again you.
Just. J-U-S-T.
Very good.
This flower is just for you.
Thank you. Okay, clap for her. Sit down. And again, Subarna.
Best.
Best. This is repeated word. Please sit down. Best is repeated word. And then Borsha again.
Fast.
FST fast. And try to make a new sentence.
Yeah, you are so slow. Can you move fast?
Very good. Okay, thank you. Sit down. And then again Shimo.
Cast. C-A-S-T.
CAST cast.
Bronze cats of the sculpture.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Sit down, clap for her. And is there anyone who want to tell? Okay, you again. You.
Nest. It is the lovebird nest.
Okay, lovebirds nest. Very good. Okay, thank you. Sit down. And from the corner, you.
Mast. M-U-S-T. Mast.
Yes.
The most important ingredients for the cooking.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. And then anyone? Okay, you. Last. Very good.
Last. You are so last.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. Shubhan again.
Taste. T-E-S-T.
Test. This is also repeated. Thank you. Sit down.
T-E-S-T.
Test is repeated. Okay, good. Sit down. Okay, you. Dust. Yes.
This car set up dust of the dust.
Okay. Or clean the dust. Dust is very harmful for us. Thank you. Sit down. And anyone try to make new word and sentence. Okay, you again, Motia.
Post. There has a post office.
Okay, very good. There is a post office. And then anyone think over and try to tell new word and new sentence. Think over these 4 letters and make a new word. Okay, who want to tell? Anyone? Okay, you again, Shimo.
Fist. F-I-S-T.
Fist.
Close
Okay.
your fist.
Close your fist and show us what is close your fist. Show us. Okay, this is close your fist. Thank you. Sit down. And is there anyone who want to tell anything? Yes, Moti again.
Mist. In winter season we see a mist drip.
Okay, deep mist. Okay, very good. Thank you. Sit down. And anything else? Yes. Vast.
V-A-S-T.
Okay.
Atlantic Ocean is a big vast.
Very vast. Okay, thanks. That means very large. Sit down. And is there anyone who want to tell any new word? Think over these 4 letters. And tell. You?
Host. H-O-S-T.
Okay.
You are my host.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. Clap for her. Okay, my dear every students, you have done very well in this new language game. Okay, we see you all the best.